Here are some scary space facts that will make you look at the night sky a little differently. Number 10. You can't smile and breathe at the same time. Apparently, your brain doesn't know how to coordinate the two actions. When you try to force it, you'll either end up choking or passing out. Doesn't this just feel like one of those fake science experiments you saw on TikTok? Well, this one's real, and it's been proven by doctors and scientists alike. So next time you're trying to smile and breathe at the same time, remember, it's not your fault. It's just your brain trying to protect you from choking. No. 9. In space, everything is hard. From the International Space Station, astronauts have to do all their work while strapped in because if they let go, they would literally float away, and that includes going to the bathroom. They also have to tie everything down because if it's not tied down, it could float away. Even simple tasks like eating become a challenge because food isn't exactly solid in zero gravity. It all adds up to make life in space pretty difficult, but it's definitely not for the faint of heart. Number 8. There's a planet out there that rains diamonds bigger than grizzly bear. Scientists believe that this planet is about 10 times the size of Earth and has an atmosphere similar to ours. But instead of water, it rains diamonds bigger than grizzly bears. Can you imagine the size of the Luxors on that planet? I'm just saying. Number 7. Your dead skin cells make up the majority of the dust on Earth. This is because when people die, their bodies break down and release dust into the atmosphere. Over time, this dust settles on the ground and becomes part of the soil. So when we walk outside, we're literally walking on our dead skin cells. Kinda gross, right? But it's actually a good thing because these dead skin cells provide nutrients for plants, which then produce oxygen for us to breathe. So thanks, dead skin cells. No. 6. On Jupiter, it rains sideways. That's because the planet's atmosphere is so thick that it creates a lot of friction. This friction causes the raindrops to flatten into sheets of water that then fall sideways. Can you imagine being caught in a sideways rainstorm on Jupiter? I think I'd rather just stay home and watch Netflix. Number 5. There's a comet out there that has a giant space station attached to it. This space station is over 2 miles wide and is made up of ice and dust. It's so big that NASA has nicknamed it the Mothership. What do you think? Is there anything out there bigger than the Mothership? Let me know in the comments below. Number 4. If you were born on a different planet, you wouldn't have a soul. That's because the only place in the universe where souls are created is on Earth. This is according to the Bible. So take from that what you will. But I think it's safe to say that if you're watching this video, you probably have a soul. No. 3. The universe is expanding at an accelerated rate. This means that galaxies are drifting apart from each other faster and faster. Eventually, everything in the universe will be too far apart to ever come together again. It's a lonely thought, but it's also kind of comforting to know that we're all in this together. No. Light from a star that's 400 light years away just reached Earth. That means that when we look up at the stars, we're seeing them as they were 400 years ago. It's hard to wrap your mind around that, but it's actually true. Subscribe for more crazy and horrifying space facts.